If you're feeling a little stuck and are looking to level up your fiddle playing, well, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips that I can personally attest to that will absolutely transform your playing. Like, you might not even sound like the same person after trying these out. Hi, I'm Lauren, a professional violinist and fiddle player currently living in Nashville, Tennessee, and I help thousands of people achieve their violin and fiddle goals. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. We'd love to have you here. So let's just jump straight into my tips for completely transforming and truly skyrocketing your fiddle playing. The first tip I have for you is to attend jam sessions. There are so many different ways that you can do this depending on where you are located in the world. And even if the nearest jam session or fiddle group is an hour away and you can only attend once a month, that is still better than nothing. So definitely seek out your local fiddle groups and local jam sessions, bluegrass, traditional Irish, whatever style you're interested in. Even if you don't feel comfortable playing with the group the first time, at least just go and listen so that you can get an idea and a feel for how jam sessions typically work. Another option, if you can't find any jam sessions near you, is to find other musicians in your area and get together and play some tunes together. There's so many benefits to playing with other musicians. You're able to strengthen your ear, work on the fly, respond to other musicians and what they're playing in real time, practice solos, practice backing up, practice playing melodies. I could go on and on. But if you're not already doing this, definitely start attending jam sessions. My second tip goes along with the first one, and that is to attend fiddle camps or workshops, or both if you have access to both. But really, this is another opportunity to play with other people, to learn from instructors, and see what kinds of styles that you can learn and what things you can improve upon. This also helps your ear tremendously and introduces you to styles and concepts that you may not have been familiar with before. Also, oftentimes at fiddle camps, there are jam sessions that are worked into the schedule, so you really do have the opportunity to play with other people multiple times a day. And again, this is just a great way to strengthen your playing overall. Another benefit of attending workshops and fiddle camps is you get to hear where the other musicians that you're around are at level-wise. It gives you a healthy sense of comparison so that you're able to see where you're at versus other people, and maybe see some things that you can improve upon, and also see how far you've come and how well you're doing. My third and final tip for transforming your fiddle playing is to perform in front of other people. Now, if you've never done this, I know this can sound a little scary, but don't think of it so much as giving a formal recital. Think of it more as getting some friends together, hanging out, and playing a couple tunes for them. This is a great way to showcase what you've been working so hard on instead of keeping it to yourself. It's also a great way to get some constructive feedback if that's what you're looking for, and also to just practice playing in front of other people in general. Those are my tips for transforming your fiddle playing. You probably noticed the theme, and it really had to do with involving people. Music is definitely a communal experience. It is so much better when there are other people involved, so I would encourage you to share it with people in your life. If you're not used to playing for or around other people, it can seem a little scary and a little daunting, but the truth is the more that you do it and the more that you challenge yourself to interact with people in a musical way, the easier it'll become. And as I've said throughout this whole video, it will truly skyrocket your playing and really make such a difference in your confidence as a musician as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing.